This is Eno, Genesis AI's first general-purpose robot, designed to work alongside people in the real world. Unlike robots built for a single task, Eno was created to move, adapt, and continuously learn across different environments and responsibilities. Whether it's in factories, laboratories, hospitals, or eventually even homes, the goal is to build a robot that can step into the spaces where people already work and contribute in meaningful ways. What's especially interesting about Eno is that its design isn't focused on looking human. Instead, the team prioritized the abilities that matter most: mobility, dexterity, and practical functionality. Eno sits on a wheeled base that allows it to move efficiently, while a tower of articulated panels gives it the ability to adjust its height and reach depending on the task at hand. When it's not being used, the system can even fold down into a more compact form for easier storage. At the heart of Eno are its robotic arms and highly dexterous hands. These hands were built to match the form and function of human hands, allowing Eno to interact with tools, equipment, and objects that were originally designed for people. Instead of requiring workplaces to redesign everything around robots, Eno is built to fit into the environments we already use every day. Powering all of this is Gene, Genesis AI's robotics-focused artificial intelligence system. Eno and Gene were developed together so that the robot's physical capabilities and its intelligence work as one integrated platform. Gene gives Eno the ability to perform delicate manipulation tasks with remarkable precision, while also handling much more complex responsibilities that unfold over long periods of time. Traditional robots are often limited to repeating a specific set of instructions. Eno is designed to go much further. Give it a high-level objective, and it can interpret the situation, remember relevant details, adapt to changing conditions, and plan the steps needed to complete the job from beginning to end. Rather than simply responding to individual commands, Eno is intended to function as an autonomous physical agent, capable of managing entire workflows. That means Eno could help keep production lines supplied with materials, prepare facilities for incoming shifts, or coordinate activities across busy environments. By constantly monitoring what's happening around it, prioritizing tasks, and working alongside both people and machines, Eno aims to become an active participant in day-to-day operations instead of just another automated tool. Genesis AI is also focusing on building trust between humans and robots. The company plans to offer an optional interface that displays Eno's intentions, reasoning, and operational status in real time. Through a built-in screen, people working around the robot would be able to better understand what Eno is doing and why it's doing it, helping create a more transparent and collaborative relationship. The company expects to begin production and launch targeted customer deployments by the end of 2026. The first wave of adoption will focus on industrial settings such as manufacturing facilities, logistics operations, and laboratories. After that, Genesis AI plans to expand into service industries including hotels and hospitals, with consumer applications for homes and outdoor environments expected later on. Eno represents just the beginning of Genesis AI's broader vision. Additional robotic platforms are already in development, all aimed at creating machines with increasingly capable human-level intelligence and versatility. As robotics and AI continue to evolve together, projects like Eno offer a glimpse into a future where intelligent machines don't just perform isolated tasks, but work alongside us as adaptable partners in everyday life.